Hi, I'm Matt Kershner. I'm the head chef at RJ at SUNY Geneseo. And today I'm gonna be making some Ropa Vieja. We're gonna start off beef flank steak. We're gonna season it, get some oil in our pan. This technique is known as a braise. It's a combination technique. You start off with a nice dry sear, get color, flavor development, and then you get liquid in there for a long cook. And what we're making in the bottom of the pan here is called fond. It's a delicious caramelization from the meat. It's gonna flavor our sauce really well that we cook the meat down in. And how you get that off the bottom of your pan here is with red wine. It's called deglazing, and it's a big part of the braising process because you got a lot of flavor on the bottom of this pan that you gotta get up off of there.
3 hours later.
We're gonna get some of our nice shredded meat. We cooked our taco shells and some of the fat that comes from that sauce, from that rendered meat. We got some pickled red onions, fresh chopped green onions, a little bit of tomato salsa right in the center, avocado crema, and do a little drizzle of this. That's a Ropa Vieja taco.